go. Okay guys, and welcome back. Today we'll be talking through my 5 quick tips to make your fasted workouts more effective and efficient. So let's jump straight into it with tip number 1, and that is to get a good night's sleep the night before. I know this is a pretty obvious one, but it's one that needs to be said either way. When you get a good night's sleep the night before, everything's at an optimal level. I mean, in terms of your energy, your mood, you generally feel happier and more positive. You're more focused, aware and alert, and most importantly, you're very much better recovered than when you get a poor night's sleep. So that means you can go into that gym and hit that workout as hard as you need to and want to hit it. So let's jump into a tip you can use on the actual day with my tip number 2, and that is to get in about 500 mils of water or 1 or 2 cups. I say to get this 1 or 2 cups of water in, just simply because you can rehydrate your body and your brain. So then your energy levels will be topped off, you'll feel a bit more positive, and most importantly, you'll be focused and alert. So you'll be in an even better position to go kill that workout. Because generally when you wake up, you know you're dehydrated because you can go to the toilet, have a wee, and you know it's dark, which then means you're dehydrated. Okay, so let's jump into tip number 3, which is to visualize your workout for 5 minutes before going into that gym. So I mean focusing on what you're going to do in terms of exercise, weight, sets and reps, just thinking about that sort of stuff for 5 minutes. Again, if you can't visualize this, I'd say just spend 5 minutes binning off everything else out of your head. So if you had an argument with your missus or partner, bin that off. If you had a family situation going on, bin that off. For the hour or 2 you're in that gym, just focus solely on that workout. And then once you come back out, you'll be in a better position to go and deal with those other problems. Okay, so let's get into tip number 4, which is on days you feel tired, a little bit low energy and less focused, get in some caffeine. That can either be in a form of a coffee before you leave to go to the gym, or before you go into the gym, or a pre-workout, again, before you leave to go to the gym, before you go into the gym, but this time you can even have it before you start warming up. I say to get it in before you start warming up, just so it gives your body the chance to digest and metabolize the coffee or the caffeine in the coffees or the pre-workout, which will then spike your adrenaline, which will then allow you to have this energy and alertness and focus boost, which will then help you kill that workout. So let's get into my 5th and final tip, and that is to wear headphones. Wearing headphones allows you to listen to your own music that gets you hyped up, because generally for me, gym music that is played in there is not great. It doesn't get me hyped to hit heavy weights. Whereas when I've got my own music on that hypes me up, I can hit heavy weights whether I'm feeling it or whether I'm not. As soon as I start listening to that and it hypes me up, I'm ready to go. Whereas with the gym music, it wouldn't. An added benefit of this is people leave you alone, because generally when you've got headphones on, people know not to disrupt you or disturb you unless it's them needing something. So if you're on a rack, they might come over and point to a weight or try and get your attention and then ask you, can I take this weight or can I take that one? Either way, it'll be just for things they actually need to take, and then other than that, they'll leave you alone. They won't try and talk to you unless you invite the conversation. So that's an added benefit of wearing the headphones. And a bonus tip with that is to make sure to get wireless headphones. That way you can control your music, so you can change forward a track, or you can skip back, you can jump back one, or you can turn the volume up or down without having to even look at your phone, which will then stop you looking at your phone to change the volume, seeing the notification, spending 5 minutes on that notification, and then realizing, oh, I've just ruined my workout because I've just killed my rest period. I've just taken like 5 minutes when I'm supposed to take 1. What am I doing? I feel like an idiot. So again, buy a wireless one so you don't have to deal with that problem, and you can just skip up and down, change the volume, and just focus on what you're doing. Anyways, guys, I hope these tips help. If they do, come back and leave me a comment. Don't forget to comment anything you want to see in a future video. Comment what you think of the video. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family to help them out as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so YouTube notifies you when our next upload. And most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day and take care.
Take me to Neverland.